Hi, Richard Huntley here, back with a brand new video for you today. I hope you're doing really well. Now, chances are if you're watching this video and you've clicked on it to watch it, you want to start to have a small style workout, but you want to try and maximize that time to burn as much fat as possible. So quick workout, more fat burn. This is the right video to watch because I'm going to be sharing with you 3 workouts that you can do at home to burn 100 calories in the next 5 minutes of working out. So your next 5-minute workout, this is going to be a great one. Just make sure you use these 3 different style workouts, and the fat burning mode, the switch will be turned on for the day, and it will set you up for a really good day. So here's the first setup exercise, the plank burners, because it really burns those abs. So you want to go up into your plank position. I'll show 2 variations. It's simple. Lift up the arms. Yes, it's going to hit the arm, but the abs are going to be really burning after a while using this because you're just balancing on the one arm. So that means that the abs are really going to have to work more because they're called stabilizer muscles. So you keep your body stable and upright, and they're very strong, especially for the core. So the first exercise is the plank climbers. You would do this first. Next one, you would go into the squat punches, but the 180 variation. So you're going to jump up, spin around, squat down, and really punch out with a nice clean strike there like shown. And with this, balance coordination's all good. You're going to learn that, but most of all, you're going to work those big muscle groups, explosive, fast twitch muscle fibers, also firing up those legs. This is going to get the heart rate up as well. So it's a good 2-in-1 exercise. It's going to tone the body, but also you're going to be burning calories as well because of the tempo and explosiveness of it. So very good exercise to add in. And then we'll follow it up by plank jacks. Fantastic exercise. I've shared this one before on my channel, and overall people love this one. It's very different. You hold a normal plank position, but then you fire the legs in and out, and before you know it, look, you can do it like that, whether it's up the higher version or down onto the elbows, it's up to you. But look, this is a great exercise to do. It's really going to work those abs, shrink down the belly fat, because we're getting the heart rate up. Do you see that I'm combining exercises? I'm using sort of a regular plank, then I'm putting some cardio into it as well, so you're getting a 2-for-1. That's how we're going to minimize the time but maximize the fat burning effects, and that's really what we want. So if you do this for 5 minutes, before you know it, fat burning switch will be turned on. You'll be burning fat throughout the whole day, and it's far better than just doing isolated exercise, you know, trying to do crunches for hours. That won't work. This style of exercise is the way for you to go. So I'll put in the comments below the setup, a few variations setup of what you can actually do, like how many seconds to do it or how many repetitions for you to follow. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell. Hit the like button, share this with your family and friends. Always appreciate your love and support. I really do. It's brilliant to see the positive message that my videos are getting out to people all over the world, and they're spreading it like wildfire, because these exercises really help. You don't need any equipment, you don't need expensive gym membership. You can just do it at home in your own time. And like I said, this is a quick 5-minute workout. Everybody's got that. Just have a go, get started today, and let's do this. Can't wait to see you in the next video, and take care for now. Have an amazing day, guys.